I was hoping to, well, first of all, expand my musical knowledge. I also wanted to get a feel of what it was like living here in New York City for a week as a student. It's all lived up to my expectations.
I've never had such an all-around experience where I'm learning classical, jazz, Turkish music. I mean, it wasn't really about learning genres of music. It's more about becoming a musician. You need to know everything, and it's incredible how much I was able to learn.
Jazz improvisation, learning songs by ear, both of those were very foreign concepts to me, which I gained a vast knowledge of while I was here.
The teachers were incredible, and they're people that I've listened to and already looked up to, and they'd walk into the room and I'd be like, oh my god, getting input from people like this, hearing you play, and then giving you advice on being a musician, going to college to study music. I mean, it was really helpful.
Marcus Rojas is our main guy, and he's just so full of energy and just loves music and loves to teach.
They work well with you. They do nothing but support you. They know how to reach every person individually, and they know how to make everyone feel accepted and just make them feel like they're there to make music.
We do a lot of small ensemble stuff, which is really, I think, is one of the most important things for musicians, because you really have to listen to the people around you and work on blending.
Everyone's super nice, and it's very welcoming kind of vibe that Marcus really puts out. It's really great for learning.
I would definitely recommend this program to other people. Individually, you can get your own thing out of it.
I think you should definitely come. It's really unique and really eye-opening. It has a lot to offer. If you're considering music as a profession, I think this can help you be like, yes, this is what I want to do.